Can you see yourself in the 2025 Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid? Introducing the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid, a luxurious SUV that seamlessly combines elegance, performance, and eco-friendly efficiency. This refined vehicle features an advanced hybrid powertrain, delivering exceptional fuel economy without compromising on power. The Nautilus Hybrid's sophisticated design is complemented by a spacious, meticulously crafted interior. Equipped with cutting-edge technology like the Lincoln Co-Pilot360 suite and an intuitive infotainment system, experience unparalleled comfort, advanced safety features, and a smooth, responsive drive with the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, navigation system, heated front seat, satellite radio, cooled front seat, backup camera. Elevate your